Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here. Now it's time to learn how to request your free YouTube video viral marketing system for your best biz offer. Plus, get access to all of these marketing tools and training videos. Once I finish this section of this video, what I want you to do is, of course, scroll down into the description. You're going to find all the links that you need to access this page here, Silver Fox JV membership and how to become a Silver Fox leader. Scroll down. On this page, of course, you're going to come here and you're going to click on this banner here. And this is where you're going to request your free marketing video. Keep scrolling down. There's all kinds of training videos. There's all kinds of tools down here. Most of these tools are free to join, like this Elite Downline Club. Everything that you need to build any business that you're working, including this free ClickBank training right here. If you keep on going down here, all kinds of marketing tools. In fact, right here, look at this one here. Infinity Mailer Boost, free to join and use. You can send, like I do every day, you can send out an email to 8,000 prospects every day, like I do. If you keep working it down here, here's Affinity Traffic Boost. Here's My Lead Gen Secret. Here's a sales funnel for you to join. Keep working your way down here. This is the software that I use, or I am using right now to produce this video. And you get a free trial to test it out and see how you can do the same thing I'm doing right now. Right here, this is the Ranking Raptor. This is the training that you can pick up to learn how to rank your videos, like I'm going to rank this video here, and of course the free videos that I'm going to be making for you. If you keep working your way down here, here's more ClickBank training. Here's why 98% of affiliate marketers fail. And here's examples of over 100 lead capture pages I use to build my lists. And working our way down, here's more traffic. These are all free to join. More traffic sources down here. And as we work, by the way, I have a series of Facebook training videos right here. And you're going to learn how, when you become a Silver Fox JV member, how you can be invited to my personal one-on-one training. Look over my shoulder and watch me live while I build my business. Then you can just duplicate what I do. Now, what I'm going to do when I produce your video, I am going to put it on this platform here. It's in here. So let's click on this banner here. And it's called Islik. And I'm going to take your video that I'm going to make for you, and the video I made for the members that you just watched to get to this video, portion of the video. I'm going to post it here. Let me show you how this works. When I have your video produced, I'm going to place it on this Islik. Of course, I'm going to place it on some other locations that I have out there, but Islik allows members to watch your video and allows members to click on the thumbnail. I'm going to put a thumbnail in there like this for you. So when somebody's watching your video on Islik, and in this case here, this is Make Commissions Online, and they click on your thumbnail here, let's do that. It'll take that prospect, that viewer, to your lead capture page or your sales page or to your profit opportunity. Another powerful feature of this platform is those who happen to watch, in this case, when I set you up as a member of this Islik video marketing platform, and you get your own platform. In addition to promoting your videos, the members can actually, what's called rewarding you. In this case here, it's 25 cents, 50 cents, $1, $2, and custom. In fact, at times on some of my videos I put in here for myself. In fact, I'll show you one. I get $10, sometimes $20 in rewards. So what I did here, this is a funny cat video. This is a series of funny cat videos, compilation. These are not my videos. What I did is I went on the internet and I found a YouTube video that had funny cat videos. And I took the ID number and I plugged it into this system here and I made it mine. Okay? And what I did is I monetized it with a ClickBank product or service. Let's see if I can bring this up, and I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, it's playing over here, but I want to show you how I monetize this. Open the link, learn more, and here's one of my ClickBank products. Cat spraying no more. All right, so you kind of get an idea how you can do the same thing I'm doing right now. So, as you can see, you can promote your own videos for your money-making opportunities. And of course, I'm promoting your video that I'm going to be making for you. I'll be promoting your video right here with your referral link right here. Or you can go out there and take your competitor's video, upload it here, and then put your own referral link right in here. Pretty neat, huh? So you're going to get paid two ways, with your own referral link, and in this case here, everybody loves watching funny cat videos. So I get lots of rewards. Typically I get 25, 50 cents when somebody watches this video here. But two ways you can monetize it, right here with your own referral links. There's a lot of ClickBank products out there, and a lot of ClickBank review videos out there. So go find them. I'll help you set up your account here and put your ClickBank referral links here. And of course, go find some really weird looking videos out there and make money this way also. Okay, let's move on. So for those who really want to make a full-time living with ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus, I have a couple more platforms down here. This one's called the Internet Reviewer. All you have to do is, they have all the products and services ready for you. You don't have to go find them. All you're going to do is plug in your IDs for ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. Automatically uploads, and away you go. And this one down here is just for ClickBank. All the products and services are ready to go. All you do is put in your ClickBank hop link here. And of course, we have more coming here, the auto blog. The same goes here. All the products and services are ready to go. You just plug in your ID. Okay, you know what to do. Scroll down into the description of this video, find those links, click on them, and I'll be waiting for you inside.